It has nearly 60,000. Would it be 60,000 kilometers? So that's less than Alaska. Oh no. Alright, good morning internet. It is I think about, yeah, it's 8:30 in the morning. And welcome back to the channel. I am leaving this beautiful place. Today is a special day because Didier and I are riding now to a place called Toliara. And that is where I'll be saying goodbye to this motorbike. This KTM350 that I've been riding, and I'll be changing for another motorcycle. So Francois, the owner of the company that I'm renting this bike from, he arranged for an Africa Twin that's waiting for me there. I believe it's kind of like a vintage Africa Twin, which is pretty cool. Because from Toliara I'm going to ride back to the capital of Madagascar, Tana. But that route is on the kind of the national highway. And of course this enduro on Toar is not really great. So let me actually put my goggles on. So I'm actually really excited about it, to check out the other bike and then set it up and then yeah, start riding something else. So that means the end of the off-road adventure in Madagascar. And wow, it has been fantastic. Oi, oi, oi. I absolutely loved it. Today this ride to Toliara should be pretty straightforward. The only thing is it did rain last night. And it actually looks like it might rain some more today. So let's see how that will go. I've actually been pretty lucky with the weather because, yeah, except on, what was it, the first day of my ride, I've had no rain at all. So that's been really good. I better make the most of this enduro while I have it today. I really like this KTM350. I already liked it in the generic rally and I love it now. You know, an enduro like this, it's not suitable for long distance travel, what I normally do around the world. But for like short off-road adventures, oh, it is so much fun. Nice and light, not like too powerful, but yeah, enough to get through like sand and stuff, you know. On Alaska I could never ride like this. That bike is just too heavy and not enough power, and yeah, then you're just bogged down all the time. But with a light and powerful bike, you're just floating on top of the sand and it's like surfing. It's so cool. They're bringing in the produce from the land, I think. Just gonna wait for Didier somewhere here. See how he got through the sand. There is also 2 rivers today. Here at Manombo It's not indicated, but there's a river here. But according to our information, that should be no problem. Or this might already be a paved road, maybe. I think the last bit to Toliara is probably paved from here on, that orange line. Ah, there he is. Oh, doggy. This way. This way? Okay, you go first. This way. Awesome, right? These green cacti just next to the sand. There's so many different types. The last bit of Toliara is on Toar. It is market day. Every day is market day. Everybody is looking at us like we're aliens. The cycle rickshaws again. I miss those. This is Toliara. Made it, made it. Oh, it's busy. So apparently there is a big cruise ship that arrived here at Toliara. I already saw all these minivans with a lot of people and I was already wondering, like, something's up. But yeah, apparently there's a huge cruise ship in town here. So now the hotels are fully booked. I don't understand why they don't just sleep on board then. Look for another hotel. Here comes my new bike. Check out this super cool bike. So this is an Africa Twin 750. I'm not entirely sure from what year. It's probably early 2000s or maybe 90s still. And it is in pristine condition. I think it is awesome. It looks so cool. So now we just need to take the gear off the KTM and my mounts, the camera mounts and everything. And see how to mount it on here. Maybe we'll take the top box off. I'm not sure yet. But how cool is this? Got the Dakar logo. It's such a big beast compared to the KTM 350. This is the dash. Look, see these buttons, how cool are they? Wait. This one off. Where shall I put it? Wow, you got like storage room here.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. Tubes. Yeah, they can go in here. Yeah, that's a good idea. This is DJ's big brother, by the way. He arranged for the Africa Twin to be here. Such a badass bike. So there's a small top box problem, but that's now being sorted. Nothing you can't fix with duct tape. So navigation is working. Spare tube, the front tube, rear tube. Okay.
Jean, ik heb het sociale materiaal van Nano.
Okay, let's go for a little test ride. See how the bike is. I just put my Moscow motor bag here, also just to see how I can tie it up. It's gonna go for a small ride to test this baby out. Can't believe that first I'm cheating on Alaska with a KTM and now with a Africa Twin. It's very low, well, compared to the KTM and Alaska actually. Okay, how does it work? Key. I'm not used to having a key anymore. The KTM just doesn't have a key, you just start it. Okay, this is what a machine. Okay. This requires a little getting used to. It's not so easy in the tight corners, I notice. But okay, let's see. Where am I going? I'll just go in here. And she is off. The position on the bike is so different from like an enduro or from Alaska. Very different. Map map. Let's turn around there. I'm really curious how the bike will handle like at higher speeds. I think it should handle pretty nicely. But yeah, cornering on this beast is something I should practice. Can't say I'm doing that very smoothly yet. I should probably also use the clutch again, because on the KTM, for example, well, only in first gear and like shifting to second gear I use the clutch, but for the rest, like shifting, you don't need the clutch. But I think for this bike I should. What a machine! It's kind of cool. I like it. It's obviously very smooth compared to the KTM. I think gravel doesn't feel so nice now suddenly. Test ride complete. No, how do I switch it off? It has nearly 60,000. Would it be 60,000 kilometers? So that's less than Alaska. So this is where I'll be staying tonight. It's not as nice as the last place. I mean, it has a pretty cool painting on the wall. But you know what I just noticed here above the bed? I don't want to touch it. But yeah. I have a feeling I might be staying in a love hotel.
Ano wana?
Pardon?
Salamat Sara.